This one is not came. Joule microservices. 1 minute. Need to check again the Spring Cloud API Gateway Joule server, right? This one only. So we in. Oh, sorry. No. Correct. No, this is the correct only, right? Open. Hey, you know what we did a mistake? No, that's correct, right? Here it is there now. Open the property. Joule routes. Here is Spring application Joule we given, right? Something problem was there, guys. Okay, something problem at the time of writing this key, we wrote wrong key, right? So some typing mistake was there. Because of that, Eureka. Now let's run this one again. Where it is? Yeah, this one. Huh? Right click, run as a Spring Boot application. Joule server is up, na? Yeah, it's up. Yeah, it is up now. Okay, good. So now come here, refresh this one. If this is the up, then why the service implies service, right? No, this one must came. Again, this one is no need. No need that Eureka client annotation not required. Here you are talking about that, right? No, that annotation not required here.
It will not come. We do not have discovery client.
Yes, correct. Discovery client annotation only is not working means what? The dependency isn't there, right?
Dependency with
Yeah,
yes.
that is the problem. Okay, no issue. Let's do that, right? Let's add that dependency, right? Right click on the project. This project only, na? Joule server. Right click that project. Spring starter. Edit Spring starter. Server return HTTP response code 400 for URL. Actually, you know, this version only released removed from the like because of that. See, Starter also not able to edit it also. Then what we need to do, let's what dependency we need? We need that Eureka discovery client, right?
Discovery client. Yes, Ravi.
Yes. So Eureka discovery client dependency. That version into 1.6, which one is more used? Okay, I'm copying this one. It's giving too much problem after removing this one. So mismatches. It's creating just confusion, right? Confusion because of that. I will see what is the alternate. Spring Web dependency is there. That one also, let's say Spring Web dependency, right?
Spring Web we have.
Web
Web is already added, Ravi.
Web is there.
Yeah, Ravi. We added three dependency, na?
No,
Web,
we
Joule, and
we removed that one, right? Directly we copied this dependencies from what Java T point, na. So in that one, web dependency is not there because of that.
oh yes, yes, you replaced all the dependencies.
I replaced all those things, na. So we need it.
Yeah, okay.
Now another one is web dependency. Still okay. Let's check it. Yes, so we added to both dependency now. Let's run again. Right click first. What we need to do? Maven, update the project, force and okay. Yeah, okay. So right click, run. First we need to stop this one only, right? This is the tool application. Yeah, stop this application. Otherwise, again, this application will not run. Right click, run Spring Boot starter. Yeah, it's running now. Come here. Now come to Eureka dashboard. Refresh it. Yeah, now it's came, guys. See this? Joule proxy came, right?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Just what I will do, I will post this dependency, right? A dependency. First create normal project, right? After then paste this pom.dependency, guys. Okay, pom.dependency, because all related to dependency we put, right? We kept inside this dependency pom.x. Just only whenever you guys are creating, right, API gateway Joule server, right? Joule server project, in that project only just paste these dependency, except for that other project just create as a normal project, right? Whatever dependency is there, based on that dependency you guys can create it, right? Clear?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
so see this now. Joule project also is running now, and two instances is running of our what microservices now, guys. Come on.
Yes.
So
Yes, Ravi.
now next step, what we need to do? Now click on this link, right? Joule proxy link is there now. Click on that one, right? Click on this one. Okay, so next what you have need to do, just copy this URL. Copy this URL. Just I'm giving the step. So after running the Joule server, what we need to do? Just what? Go to go to Eureka and click on Joule link, right? Click on the Joule link. What we did, I went on what, in the Eureka dashboard only na. And after then what, 1 minute again, http colon /localhost 81. Go to Eureka dashboard. I came, right? I'm clicking on this link na, Joule proxy link. Come on, guys.
Yes,
Active.
Ravi.
After clicking this link, what we need to do? Copy this URL, guys. Okay, copy this URL. So what we did, go to Eureka and click on the Joule link, right? After clicking that Joule link, so what we need to do, this URL we will get. Come on, this URL we are getting now.
Yes.
Yes, we are getting this
Yes, Ravi.
URL. Then what we need to do, we need to modify this URL. How we will modify it now? Modify using what is that? Below syntax. What is that? How we will modify now? Yesterday we saw that, right? So just what is that? http colon // now give the Joule IP, right? So Joule IP is what? This one in my system, this one Joule IP 99. This is the port number we took, right? Come on, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
Then Joule IP, then what we need to do? We need to give what is that? IP address, right? Then we need to give what? Port number.
Port
We need
number
to, we
double
need,
nine double zero.
after then we need to give what is that? Joule path, right? Joule path. We need to give what? Joule path, right? After then what we need to do? We need to give what is that? controller path, right? Controller path, right? Controller path. After then what we need to give? Method path, right? We need to give what is that? Method path, like this only na. So now let's construct the URL, right? Now what I'm doing now, so from here to here, right? From here to here, what is that? Copy this one, right?
Copy.
Copy this one and paste it, right? This one is what? Our API gateway URL. Come on, guys. People are
Yes,
getting
Ravi.
my point.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
After then come here, right? Come inside that come inside that API gateway property, right? So for that, what context path, what we given the context path?
EMP,
EMP/.
EMP
AI API.
EMP API, right? Now fine, guys. Okay, so come here. Now here just give that one only. So EMP API, right? EMP API. So this one is what? This one is a Joule path, na? Joule context path, right? Come on. This one is the Joule context path. Now we need to give what is that controller path, na guys? Come on.
Controller.
Yeah, Ravi. Control
Okay, so controller
Yes,
path,
Ravi.
where we will get the controller path? We need to go inside that microservices application, right? Come on.
rest controller.
Now go
Yes,
inside
Ravi.
that REST controller,
Controller.
right? So what we took? EMP we took,
EMP.
right? On the class level, right?
EMP data.
Yes.
Right.
So we need to give what is that? EMP, right? After then what? Slash, right? Now
Data.
again we need to give the method level path, right?
Yeah.
So what we took? Method level path as a data, right?
Data. Yes.
Data,
Yes,
right?
Ravi.
So here we need to give what is that? Data. Now copy this URL and come to our what? Come to our browser and paste it and hit it. We are getting the employee data on the browser or not? The port number is what?
Yes, Ravi.
8081 for 8081, right?
Yeah,
Come
Ravi.
on. Now just
Yes,
refresh
Ravi.
it. Now in this time we are getting the 8082, means what? Load balancing is working or not in the API gateway, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Whatever theoretical I explain, based on our theory, our application is working or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, it is working.
Right?
Yes, Ravi. Working.
Working, na? So
Yes,
like
Ravi.
just we face the challenges. Why it's taking the time? Because they removed in the newer version Joule, right? I will see that why they are doing and what is the alternate. Though that one also I will teach you guys. Okay, don't worry. So but till now, yesterday onward, whatever explanation is going on, based on that explanation, our what practical is going on or not, guys? See this, how I constructed the URL based on that, like whatever URL I explained, right? How we need to construct it, right? So similar way we constructed, and that URL is working or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Working.
So between Joule API, right? So based with the help of Joule API, we able to give what is that one URL, and based on the one URL, whatever microservices is there, those microservices we can our end user can access or not. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Can access.
So now, guys, so what I will do it now, just I will post this pom.xml, right? Pom.xml on my Facebook group, right? Just download it whenever you guys are creating this, right? Joule server, right? Joule server. Create as a Spring Starter project, and after creating the project, whatever things is there in the in that pom.xml, remove it and place this pom.xml, right? Come on.
Yeah, Ravi. Yes.
Okay, Ravi.
So at the time of doing the practical, right, just replace this pom.xml in our project. That's it. Okay, because all related to dependency we kept inside this pom.xml. There is no modification required, right? Required, because at the time of creating the project, you guys also will not get, because they removed na.
Yes, Ravi.
But don't worry, I will check what is the alternate they given, right? alternate given, I just change any other name, right? I will read the documentation of what microservices again. But just think about that, guys. Okay, just only one
Okay.
things, guys, based on my experiences only. Every time I'm saying, right, I'm not studying before starting the session. If anybody is thinking about that Ravi is studying, I don't have that much time to study. Right? So whatever my experiences is there, based on my experiences only I'm teaching, right, guys? So, and even I'm explaining the things. Okay, so you guys are getting the real time content here. So do the practical, whatever challenges we are facing, right? We will learn that one also, why we are facing that, why they removed this one, I will tell in the next session also, right? Just only one things, guys. Okay, so if possibility is there, just learn what is that servlet filter. Just collect the overview knowledge of servlet filter, right? Servlet filter, right? Servlet filter, collect the little bit knowledge about servlet filter. Then, because here I'm going to implement the filtering concept only, right? In the next session, our like security and all those things will come now. So the request is just one time, what is the filter, what is the use of filter, what is the authentication filter, what is the logging authentication, image converter, all those things. Just see this one time, and what is the meaning of why we are applying these things, okay, in our application, right? Just see this one, okay, one time, just see this, and our next session will be on next weekend, guys. Okay,
Okay.
so little bit
Okay, thank you.
because of the version changes, as well as we are facing the changes. I know that little bit our session, it became today boring, right? But it's a good, right? The session is, we learned good content today also, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, so now let's start the session now, guys, and we will meet next weekend, right?
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, Ravi. Thank you.
okay, bye,
Thank
guys.
you.
Bye.
Bye, Ravi.
Bye, Ravi.